Hello, today we talk about a car shape and design. There are various types of car designs, each specific purposes, aesthetics, and functionality. Explain some main types here. Sedans are one of the most common car body styles and are characterized by 4 doors, separate trunk, and a passenger compartment. They come in various sizes, from compact to full size, and designed for comfort or luxury. Dodge Charger, Vintage, and Rolls-Royce. Hatchbacks have a similar layout to sedans, but feature a rear door that includes both the rear window and trunk. They're known for their versatility, folding rear seats to create additional cargo space. Hatchback model, Ford Focus RS, Mercedes-Benz's, Volkswagen. Station wagon is a type of automobile that typically features an extended roofline rear cargo. Wagons are known for their versatility. They are well suited for family transportation. Wagon shows some model, Octavia Audi RS6, Mercedes-Benz's AMG. Sport utility vehicle, SUVs are designed for a combination of on-road and off-road capability. They are larger and taller than sedans and provide a spacious interior, increased ground clearance. SUVs come in various sizes, compact, mid-size, and full-size, e.g. Lamborghini Urus, Lexus LS570S, Range Rover. Pickup trucks are designed for cargo hauling and towing. They have an open cargo bed rear and come in various sizes, including compact, mid, and full-size. They're chosen for work purposes and outdoor activities. Luxury car, e.g. Dodge Ram, Glenvision, Ford F-15. Minivans are designed for family transportation, offering spacious interiors, multiple seating rows, and sliding rear doors. They prioritize passenger and cargo space over performance or style, e.g. Chrysler, Renault Scenic, Toyota TRD. Coupes are generally 2-door vehicles with a sleek and sporty design. They often feature a sloping roofline, emphasizing aesthetics over interior space. They are known for their performance and style. Models are Mercedes-Benz, Ford Mustang, Aston Martin DB11. Convertibles, also called cabriolets or roadsters, have a retractable roof that allows passengers to enjoy open-air driving. They can come in various styles, from 2-seaters to 4-seaters, and are often associated with a sense of freedom and fun. Porsche Cayman, Porsche 911, Carrera GT. Supercars are high-performance, ultra-fast, and exceptionally luxurious automobiles designed to provide an exhilarating driving experience. Speed and performance, exquisite design, cutting-edge technology, and limited production. Some models named are Bugatti Chiron, Ferrari LA Ferrari, and Lamborghini SC18.